Hi, good morning, everyone, dear teams, brother and sisters. Today I'm here to discuss some important points. Like when we grow up, we become happy. We are creating, we are enjoying with peoples with no reason that you don't have to tell that any reason. If I get this, if I win this match, then I only become happy. No, just simply there is no reason, but I become joy, become happiness. That inner happiness, inner joy, inner peace, inner strength, inner win. First, you have to win from your inside. Then you become wealthy person outside. So for that, I am coming with one greatest idea. Let's hope. But before moving to that agenda and before moving to that particular, I wanted to ask you one simple questions. How many of you wanted to become a wealthy person? How many of you desperately change want to change their life? How many of you they don't want to die poor? They born in poor, that is not your fault. If you born in die in poor family, that is your fault. So always creates in your man, I don't want to die poor. I don't want to be an average person. I don't want to be die like a middle class person. Don't want to die like a average family person. So for that, I'm coming with the greatest idea, my dear friends. Whenever you have, if you find your purpose, you enjoy your work. Whenever you want to learn something, you just teach them anyone. That is the simple funda. If you teach others, you will get more insights, you will get more confident, you will get more information. So I'm learning that option trading and I'm going with these skills. What terms and terminology uses and what is the main important in option trading. My dear friends, I'm starting my investing journey in 2022. One of my friends telling that grow option, you can use Demat account, you can create, you can invest SIP. This gives us more than 10,000, more than FD, more than your bank interest. So I started investing and I get incentive. I started SIP from 100 for 6 months. I'll getting 641. That is 30% increment. And when I am doing increasing my monthly investing amount like 30%, 50, 30 and 20 rules. Whatever the money you have, 50% in your daily expenses, your need, 30% amount in your need, your lifestyle for saving for families, and 20% amount for your saving must be whatever you have salary, irrespective of any amount like 50,000, 1 lakh, 3 lakhs. This formula applicable for all. So I started investing my journey from 2002. From I'm working at that time Haldiram, and some friends using that Grow application. Even I don't know, when I ask him what you are doing, what you are seeing. So then he guide me like it's a Demat account, it's a SIP account. In you can grow, you can invest per monthly, you will be getting money double. So my dear friends, you are become wealthy person only when your money will work for you, when your people work for you. That is the two funda. So learn a skills that invest money in that assets that your money grows in long term. Don't buy liability. If you have, if you come in your mind something buy, ask yourself that I have, did I have capability to buy 10 similar things right now, and I am capable to buy this one. If your heart says no, I don't have any expense that to buy 10,000. So based on that, you can buy. And my dear friends, you always be my friends from my how many years I'm using this camera and facility from my college time, and now I become more confident like a public speaker Bisal Sarkar, like a Rachna Ran at SCA, public that financial freedom techniques, and option line trading, where I can invest, where I can grow, entry and exit. So that is the topic of becoming generational wealth person. And if you are willing to do, means 25 years you are giving to earn 30,000 money. Think twice. When you are starting your journey to schooling, colleging and job, 30 years you are providing to earn 50,000 per month. And if you are if you are going to earn 500, 1,000 per month, one means 20,000 per month, 30,000 per month, you are not investing more than 6 months, more than 3 months. Why this is happen? So first you have to invest in your learning. First you have to invest in your money, money managing skills, financial freedom. That is from my side. That is from that creates my thinking power more important. It increase my thinking power, because once a trainer, once you speak in front of your fear, your doubts, your uncomfort zone, and if you are able to comfortably working in that situation, my dear friends, you are become one step forward.